Hello, welcome to Chemophilic. In today's video, I will be making sodium hypochlorite, which is also known as bleach and used for many household purposes. I require only two chemicals, which are commercial bleaching powder and washing soda, which is generally sodium carbonate. And these two compounds or chemicals are easily available in the market, and I bought them from a grocery shop and a hardware shop. I took two beakers and filled them with 150 milliliters of water each. Now it's time for adding the two compounds and mixing them well in the water. Sodium carbonate is easily soluble in water and the solution can be easily obtained, but there is a problem with the commercial bleaching powder. Actually, bleaching powder is a mixture of calcium hypochlorite, calcium chloride and calcium hydroxide, and we know these calcium salts are generally partially soluble in water, and hence a suspension is formed which needs to be filtered. The bleaching powder solution is filtered through a coffee filter to get a clear solution. The filtering process is lengthier and it took me around 10 to 15 minutes to get a clear solution. Meanwhile, I kept the sodium carbonate solution in the refrigerator to cool it down to 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. This is very much necessary because the reaction I am going to perform today is an exothermic reaction. My product will be sodium hypochlorite, also known as bleach, and this product is unstable above 28 degrees Celsius. So the whole procedure must be going on below 28 degrees Celsius so that my product is not destroyed. A milky white precipitate of calcium carbonate is instantly formed when the bleaching powder solution is added to the sodium carbonate solution. And again the solution needs to be filtered in order to get rid of the calcium carbonate formed, and our main product will be collected as a filtrate. Again, this filtration procedure is performed with the help of a coffee filter, and the main product, which is bleach or the sodium hypochlorite, is then transferred to a clean airtight bottle and labeled. The oxidation number of chlorine found in bleach is +1, and hence it behaves as a very strong oxidizing agent. And for these oxidizing properties, it has various applications. It can be used for cleaning purposes in our household, it can be used for sanitizing places and spots, and it must not be used over skin because it can be harsh and cause damage to your skin. So one can easily prepare sodium hypochlorite, known as liquid bleach, from easily available raw materials like bleaching powder and washing soda, which are very cheap, and it can be also used for disinfecting places during this pandemic instead of the alcohol based sanitizers, which are costly and can create a fire if not used carefully. Please do like, comment and share if you find the video helpful and informative, and tell your friends to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.